Welcome to CoinChanger, your go-to platform for exchanging Litecoin to Payoneer seamlessly and securely. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the easy steps to complete this transaction effortlessly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to CoinChanger's website. You'll be greeted by our user-friendly interface, designed to provide a smooth experience. Locate the Litecoin to Payoneer exchange section. Next, enter the amount of Litecoin you wish to convert into Payoneer. Ensure accuracy to avoid any discrepancies during the process. CoinChanger prioritizes the utmost security to safeguard your funds throughout this transaction. Now, provide your Payoneer account details. Double-check that the information is correct, as any errors may result in failed transfers. Rest assured, CoinChanger's advanced technology ensures the confidentiality of your personal data. Take a moment to review the transaction details displayed. Once you confirm the accuracy of the information, proceed by clicking the Exchange button. CoinChanger will instantly convert your Litecoin into Payoneer. Within seconds, your Payoneer account will reflect the exchanged funds, instantly available for your use. It's as simple as that. CoinChanger's reliable infrastructure ensures quick and secure exchanges, eliminating the need for any lengthy verification processes. Remember, CoinChanger offers competitive rates in real time, guaranteeing you the best value for your Litecoin. With our streamlined system, you can complete the exchange swiftly without any complicated registration requirements. Join thousands of satisfied users who have successfully converted their Litecoin to Payoneer with CoinChanger. Experience the convenience of instant cryptocurrency exchanges today. Thank you for choosing CoinChanger, where exchanging Litecoin to Payoneer is smooth, secure, and hassle-free. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and we are always here to help you.